The typical workflow in KiCad consists of two main tasks: drawing a schematic and laying out a circuit board. The first thing we do is opening the KiCad software will bring up the project manager and create a new project. By click File, the New Project. Browse to your desired location and give your project a name. Starting the schematic. Double-click on the schematic editor, it will open the editor. To pan around the schematic, click and drag with the middle mouse button. To zoom in and out, use the mouse wheel or F1 and F2 keyboard buttons. To view all hotkeys, go to Help, then List Hotkeys. In this list you can find all the default hotkeys. Hotkeys can be changed by clicking Preferences, then Preferences, and choose Hotkeys. Before drawing anything in the schematic, set up the schematic sheet itself. Click File, Page Settings. Give the schematic a title and date, and change the paper size if desired. Now we are ready to start making the circuit. To adding symbols to the schematic, open the library symbol by clicking the Add Symbol button or by using the hotkeys pressing the letter A. You can search for the symbol by typing the keyword in the Filter tab or scroll and find it in the list. Hold the OK button to place it in your schematic. After adding all the symbols and position correctly relative to each other. Do this by selecting and moving the symbols. Now we need to wire the schematic. The symbol pins all have small circles on them, indicating that they are not connected. To complete our circuit, we add power symbols, ground and VCC. For the power connection, we need to add power flag. Now we are finished drawing our circuit, but not ready to export to the PCB editor. The next video we will prepare our design to export to the PCB editor. Please like and subscribe to my channel.